A tragic fire ignites a journey of resilience and artistic triumph from the ashes. Nestled within the charming confines of a scenic town framed by rolling hills, a devastating fire tore through the lives of its residents, touching Lily, a vibrant young woman. The blaze reduced her cherished family home to ruins, shattering her world. From this calamity emerged a remarkable journey of resilience, as Lily found unexpected well-spread offerings of strength. Standing on the outskirts of her family home, now a wasteland of ashes, Lily's eyes welled with tears, confronted by the enormity of her loss. Her familiar world had crumbled, leaving her amidst the remnants of her past life. Overwhelmed by sorrow, Lily struggled to navigate the flood of emotions that consumed her. The weight of the tragedy threatened to crush her spirit, as every corner of her house held memories that were now reduced to ruins and smoke. In those initial days of mourning, Lily discovered solace in her compassionate neighbor, Rachel. Rachel, having borne her own grief in the past, extended a supportive hand and a listening ear to Lily, becoming her anchor through the tumultuous aftermath. Lily confided in Rachel, and gradually, the weight of her grief began to lift. With Rachel's empathy and genuine care, a glimmer of hope emerged from the darkness. Together, they sifted through the debris, recovering fragments of memories that served as reminders of the love and warmth Lily had known. Amidst her journey to healing, Lily stumbled upon an old box concealed in a corner of her childhood bedroom. Inside lay her art supplies, paintbrushes, tubes of paint, and a worn sketchbook. Amidst tragedy's wake, Lily felt a pull towards self-expression through art. Trembling, she began to paint, and as the colors flowed onto the canvas, something magical transpired. Painting became her refuge, a space to pour out her heartache, confusion, and aspirations. Each stroke mirrored her soul, capturing the intense emotions she harbored. Using the therapeutic power of art, Rachel encouraged Lily to embrace this new passion, connecting her with art therapists and workshops. Lily found herself in a community of fellow healers who channeled their pain into art. Her journey unfolded, and her paintings became a testament to her resilience. As Lily's story unfolded through her artwork, she connected with others who had endured loss. Her vulnerability fostered profound conversations, reminding her she wasn't alone. In her sorrow, Lily uncovered a fragment of resilience. Supported by Rachel and her artistic peers, Lily's future held promise. Armed with paintbrushes and unwavering support, she embarked on the path to recovery. Yet, challenges emerged, including Sarah, a critical business owner. Sarah belittled Lily's vulnerability, aiming to exploit it. At a local gallery, Sarah's disdainful remarks threatened Lily's newfound confidence, casting doubt on her creative sanctuary. Sarah's cutting words reverberated within Lily's thoughts, sowing seeds of self-doubt and inadequacy. The temptation to abandon her art and retreat into the shadows of uncertainty tugged at Lily, but an inner wellspring of determination surfaced amidst the adversity. Recalling Rachel's unwavering belief in her talent and the transformative essence of her art, Lily steeled herself against Sarah's negativity. Rallying her resilience, she clung to the words of her revered artists and mentors. Lily enveloped her studio with their wisdom, reminding herself of the significance of persistence and authenticity. Finding strength in tales of artists who had confronted similar trials and emerged victorious. Lily discovered an unexpected mentor in Mr. Thompson, a seasoned artist within the community. Recognizing Lily's evolution, Mr. Thompson embraced her as a protégé, bestowing invaluable insights accrued over the years. Their partnerships saw Lily refined her technical prowess, experimenting with diverse mediums and techniques. Guided by Mr. Thompson, she learned to rely on her instincts and embrace her unique artistic voice. Through their collaborative exploration of creativity, Lily harnessed art as a conduit for emotions, healing, and an antidote to Sarah's biting critique. Under Mr. Thompson's guidance, Lily's art flourished. She learned that art is subjective and success lies in creating emotional connections. To confront Sarah's negativity, Lily organized an exhibition showcasing her latest creations. This and the community attended, moved by the raw power of Lily's art. Sarah acknowledged her error and apologized for her hurtful words. Lily accepted Sarah's apology with grace and resilience and embraced her artistic journey. With the support of Rachel, Mr. Thompson, and the community, Lily worked hard to create her own solo exhibition. The exhibition was a celebration of her growth as an artist and a testament to the transformative power of resilience. Her friends, family, and art enthusiasts gathered to witness the unveiling of her vibrant and emotive pieces. Lily's artwork in the gallery attracted Emma's attention. Emma was touched by the raw emotion and vulnerability of Lily's pieces, which resonated with her own setbacks and sorrows. Lily shared how art became her sanctuary, inspiring Emma to embark on her own journey of healing. Lily became Emma's mentor, offering steadfast support to her and countless others grappling with their own trials.